like a good old V8 in the morning, baby. Let's go. Got the whips here, looking pretty. A little bit of a belt tweak on her. So we just got back to the shop, picked up some wood. We're gonna be installing the hardwood into the back and see how that looks, and then if it doesn't, we'll try and figure something else out. But yeah.
What's up, bud?
What's up, bud?
Those are healthy noises.
Just got the tank disconnected, so we gotta pop this baby open. We have a full-on skating rink down here. Solid ice. Classic Genesis coupe. Their fucking taillights leak to hell. Oh god. So we're gonna shop back her out of there. So we got the good old trusty shop back here.
Mac, you know what you're gonna have to do after this too, though? You're gonna have to teak where the seat was.
Teak the seat, eh?
No, like look. See back there?
Yeah.
This whole part down on the floor?
Yeah.
Teak it.
That would actually be a really good idea. This guy's still going nuts back here. Little ice delete. Oh god.
Christ!
Alright, let's get this thing plugged in and get it out of there.
Just add.
Alright, so attempt number 1 here. Let's try and get this ice out.
Holy shit. I mean, water's coming out. We need like a screwdriver or something, a little hammer.
For what?
I mean, most of the water came out.
Well, note to self, don't tape your tail lights in and leave it outside while it freezing rains, because this is what's gonna happen to you. Oh my god, unbelievable. This is absolutely insane how much ice is coming out of the truck. Holy Christ. Wow. Wow. That's hot.
Oh yeah, baby.
Take a nice glug of that. All right, well, we're gonna get to cutting up this wood. What kind of wood did we say this was? The teak? Where's the? We got that Ravenwood premium laminate right there. Lifetime warranty.
Antique chestnut?
The antique chestnut, baby, let's go. So we're gonna have to try and cut this, and I think we're gonna start with a template of like cardboard or something like that, just so we don't fuck up the first bit of it. So we'll get back to you when we start doing that.
Go the other way. Long way, yeah.
Oh, buddy!
The cardboard's almost.
All right, so we're gonna trace this and get the template going.
Whisper to me softly. I can see the edge and I hope that you're falling for.
All right, Jackson, tell us what's going on here, buddy.
We're gonna cut her out. We're gonna stick her in the car and we're done.
You hear that? We're done. That's all you gotta do. Cut her out, stick her in the car. So should be as simple as that, but we got the template lined up here. Sort of. It's a pretty hack job, but.
He brought the boys to broom up after him.
Yeah, exactly.
Clean up squad.
So we're gonna cut this baby up and get back to you on that.
To me softly, I can see the edge and I hope that you're falling for me. I don't need to fake. Hold me when I shake. Laying at your side and I burn like a naked.
All right, so we just got done cutting her up. It's actually looking pretty mint though. Hey Jackie, what do you think, buddy?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna fit right away. We might have to
Am I gonna
break
be
the.
YouTube famous now, bud?
I think you might.
Might be.
I think you might.
Joseph Gas.
Joseph Gas, baby.
Joseph
Not
Gas,
a sponsor,
baby.
but Joseph Gas.
Best gas company there is right now.
Is this the right one? Yeah, I might need to do some trimming on this one.
Oh, it just needs to be skimmed on the one side?
Yeah, like it doesn't. We might need to cut the corners a little bit here.
Oh, it doesn't sit high enough?
No, like this, because we need to cut off. Well,
That's dope.
it actually looks pretty good in here.
And it's actually got a base
We just
now.
gotta cut off the edges of that last piece a bit. She should be snug in there, but
Yeah.
it's looking pretty fresh.
It looks good.
So we got it all mocked up here. It actually fit pretty well for a first timer's job. We're gonna drill some holes, bolt it up, and show you the finished product when that's done. All right, so just got this thing mocked up. The trunk is looking absolutely mint. For a first time, at least, it's pretty well flush with where you want everything to be. So we got the tank lined up about where we want it to be. We're gonna mark some holes, drill some holes, and then we'll bolt everything down and show you the finished product. I don't know if we're gonna hide any of the lines. I still gotta figure that out, but for now it's looking pretty great, so stay tuned. Close here. Can you see it well?
Yeah. Well, in a
Yeah,
second.
get the light in there. Yeah, that's good. Pause or shut it. All right, so we just got done drilling 4 holes here. We marked it with a marker and fired them in, but it took some TLC and re-drilling because we didn't line them up properly, but it happens when it's your first time doing this. So yeah, other than that, it was pretty simple, but we got those. Now we just need to fire the bolts onto the or the nuts onto the bolts, and we got to move back to the compressor, and we should be finishing up here pretty soon. We'll show you the finished product. Fuck!
So this is the struggle we're having right now to get this sucker bolted in from underneath.
Could have probably been a better approach.
Just a couple lost washers, you know. It is what it is. That's what the magnets are for.
Yeah. All right.
Final touches. Last piece. And
Will
then,
it fit?
and then all we gotta do is reconnect.
Holy shit.
Yep. What's that hose for?
An important one.
Yeah, I got it right here.
That's as much as she goes though.
Can you send it under here?
I might have to send it through here.